Alright guys, so I bought this thing to piss off the mad knobber. Who's the mad knobber? That's the guy that pulls all the knobs off of everything. And they used to put the knobs in a bag in the back. But his latest thing is, he removes the Techniques logo. And he only does it to these ones. And then he goes in and buys it when it's $2. I have bought the last two of these that have been done up like that on purpose. This was only 50% off, so I think I paid $17. But it actually sounds really good. So I hooked it to some tiny speakers. It's got the bass and treble on the front and the balance. It's a little bit wonky, like all this stuff, but whatever. So whoever the knob guy and the logo guy is, I bought your stereo, fuck you. So, yep, there's definitely a dude that comes here locally that takes the knobs, peels the crap off, waits for them to show up. He's very specific. It's Japanese made Techniques and other stereos that have a specific sound to them. So it won't ever be Sony's or Yamaha's or anything like that. It's always these and anything else from this time period. So anyway, fuck that guy. He ain't gonna get it. Even if I gotta pay for it and throw it in the garbage.